Hi, this is James Bond, Part 2. This is a news report calling James Bond has parked his car on the sidewalk. And he's crazy for that. Hello, senora. Oh, this one's an awesome one. This one's an awesome mission.
Where do you think you're going? Where do you think you're I don't care. Nobody goes down there without a hard hat. Of course. Take it first.
Yeah. Working with enemies. I think. Now watch what happens. See, always find a suspicious thing by them opening the door for you. Because you know if they weren't in there. That's how you know. When I drop you in hell. Uh-oh. And they think again that I'm dead. Told you I dropped you in hell. Oh, he took the gun with him. What is it? Thank you, God, that he just did. That would have been busted. I don't want to remember. Someone's not there. I said someone's not there. You just think you're so cool with your damn grenades, okay? Shut up. Mother. Back up, not required. What did I do? Get out of this place. I forgot to where to go. Oh yeah, smartphone. Smartphone. I am dying. About to die. And I hate you. I hate you so. I definitely want to do the blame on you. I hate you. Yes, because he's stupid. Counter. You don't really need a smartphone. You could just see it blinking. If I use a smartphone in the first place. Of course, you're not gonna know it ahead of time. If you play second time, you should like see it blinking. You know, first time I played this, I thought he was actually talking to me. Hey! Hey! He was about to shoot me. You know he's like small. Throw who? Huh? Huh? Don't ever throw me! Me what? Me don't know what you talk. Bodied deceased. Remember that reading. I am pretty good. Yeah, I am pretty good. Let me talk to you guys about the last days of school. Awesome. You know what I was thinking of that I was gonna do, but I forgot to do? I was thinking I was like gonna go like, I was gonna look at the clock, it says 2:50. I go, yeah, yeah, and just run around the classroom saying, yeah. But then I said, no. Like I thought, be embarrassing. Because I forgot what else I was gonna do. There was a joke to like running around the classroom. There was a joke to it, but I forgot the joke. You need no reinforcements. Be a man! You see me killing 400 men, beating 8 damn missions, and not dying. Be a man! All you do is punch. And you punch like a girl. And he's gonna kill you. Did I even get the intelligence? Yeah, I probably did. Okay, now you realize that? Okay, I know I have to sign into this one, but now you seriously realize that? I wish I could shoot them down, they could just fall down. That'd be funny. But they stopped. Epic fail. They're already dead. It's like an epic fail. It opens the door when they're already dead. Literally. Mad dumb. How is he supposed to type on my computer? It's all like, I have to go over it there. Don't go for backup, because you're dead. Oh yeah, on what were we talking about? Oh yeah, last day of school, in second grade, I remember I was like freaking, we could play and everything. It was pretty fun. And everybody, some of my friends, they were so lucky that they brought their PSP, because anyways, they could play with it either way, because, because it's not like they're going home soon. They have to finish the rest of the day of school. But they were lucky that they got to still play with. They had Nintendo DS. One of them had, and two of them, they were twins. They had oh, this one you guys are gonna like. This one's intense. This part. Oh yeah. See, that's like a cutter. Where was I? Oh yeah, they were twins and they both had a PSP, and they were like both. I didn't really get to play that much of the PSP. With PSP, mostly I played Nintendo DS. Drop, damn it! I'm about to die. I'm running with fear, not fear. You know, it actually looks like a door without a knob, without a doorknob. But it's the cutter. Awesome. Let's just take in what? What? Does he have any intelligence? Oh, instant bold exam. I want to see this. How do you get the intelligence? I'm playing this one, right? Yeah. These are all intelligence. Dun, dun. But I haven't used focusing. Crap. Can't touch me. Can't touch me still. Can't touch me still. Can't touch us. Guys, in Batman, I have a really funny dance where he crouches up and down. It's not funny. It's not a teabag dance. It's something funny, kind of. But it's pretty funny. Maybe I'll make a video on Batman when I got, and I'll show you the dance. And it's Batman. I don't want to bring the hurt on you. Yes, I do. But I was just watching like an hour ago, Phineas and Ferb movie. It was pretty good. Yes, we will see about that. I think I kind of shot that guy. I don't like you. Oh. Send no support. And let me just keep the door.